Welcome back, fam. For those of you who are new, I'm Dave Banter. I have the over-ear headphones, the Edifier W820NB Plus here with me today. We're going to take a look at these budget headphones and see if they're worth your money. Here's what comes in the box. You get a USB A to C cable. You get the manual, and it's about like 2 or 3 pages because all the other pages are in different languages. Safety and compliance. And the star of the show, the Edifier W820NB Plus.
Dave Banter, coming at you with a tech review about the products that appeal to you. Ain't no capping with the blue cap, he just spitting the truth.
These headphones come in 5 colors: gray, black, ivory, blue, green. Listen up, fam. These headphones, they're extremely comfortable to wear. Weighing only 7.9 ounces or 220 grams. All right, fam, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna listen to these headphones exactly the way you would if they were actually on your ears using a binaural recorder. So for those of you who don't know what a binaural recorder is, basically it's just like your face. So this would be the width here, your ears are on the side, and it's microphones in the ears. And as you can see, my ears are soft, just like ours. And it's gonna be doing all the recording. All right, fam, so just to be clear, now these headphones are paired with the laptop right over here. So all the sounds that you're gonna be hearing are from the laptop to the headphones via Bluetooth. And this is exactly how it's gonna sound if it was on your ears, okay?
It's time to quit while we're ahead. Don't think like that. I will love you endlessly. If you don't believe, don't you be like that. I will love you forever. If you don't believe in me, yeah. You couldn't be with anyone. I couldn't be with anyone. You're here with me. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway.
All right, fam, so y'all just heard what the Edifier sounds like with 2 song demos. Now, I couldn't just let y'all go without testing it against something very similar in specs to the Edifier. This is the Impal 059. It's old school, but let's see how it stacks up against the Edifier. Let's check it out.
It's time to quit while we're ahead. Don't think like that. I will love you endlessly. If you don't believe, don't you be like that. I will love you forever. If you don't believe in me, yeah. You couldn't be with anyone. I couldn't be with anyone. You're here with me.
All right, fam, you just heard the Edifier and the Impal. What did y'all think? Let me let y'all in on a secret real quick. The Edifier was recorded at 80% volume. The Impal was recorded at 55. So what that means is I had to duck down the volume to match this to 55%. This was at 80. So if you like your music loud, just saying, keep that in mind if you're looking at these, all right? Taking a look at the design of the headphones, they swivel inward, not outward. Outward will break them. Edifier design branding on both sides. Here's the extension for your head, if you have a big head or small head. Inside, memory foam cushioning, padding, and you're gonna get more of it right here for the over ear. Nice cushions right over your ear. On the right ear cup, you're gonna get basic functionality buttons, volume, power, mode button, USB-C for charging, and you can connect this to your computer for a wired headphone experience. When you're wearing these headphones, keep in mind, on the right side, your microphone's over there. Sorry, lefties, it's on the right side. Overall, simplistic design. All right, fam, gotta hit y'all with some of the features. Price point, $79.99, but you can always find it on sale. Hybrid ANC, active noise cancellation, up to minus 43 dB. You know we definitely gotta test that out. 49 hours of playtime with ANC on, 33 hours of playtime. Of course, that's gonna be based on how loud you like to listen to your music. Bluetooth 5.2, high-res audio wireless, best of both worlds. Call noise cancellation for those phone calls. Looking at the app, when connected, you'll have access to ANC options with a built-in soothing sounds audio library. Your presets are pretty basic. There's no manual EQ for fine-tuning, just presets. Now, if you notice, there's no hip-hop EQ preset available, but there is a classic and classical EQ option. Right. And finally, there is a game mode option. Now we're gonna test the ANC, the active noise cancellation, and the game mode latency. For the ANC test, I'm gonna be using a small fan about 1 foot away, using the ears to record. For the game test, I'm gonna use a game on my phone, connect my phone via Bluetooth to the headphones, using the ears again to record. So let's get it.
Ambient sound, noise cancellation off, noise cancellation, ambient sound, noise cancellation off, noise cancellation, game mode on,
All right, fam, now we gotta test the microphone on the Edifier. So what I'm gonna do is, right now, you're hearing my studio microphone, but I'm about to make the switch. And this is the Edifier W820NB Plus. This is the call quality you can expect from these headphones. How does it sound to you? Does it sound okay? Sound pretty good? All right, let me know in the comments below. All right, my final thoughts. Keep in mind these are budget headphones. They serve their purpose for the casual user. If you're looking for affordability or just a second pair to complement your more expensive headphones, then the Edifier should perform just fine. If you haven't already, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate all of you. Thank you. Until next time, I'm Dave Banter. We out.